the town hall meeting today is data gathering. All right. So before we start to have questions, so I would like to take this opportunity to to discuss this topic. And I think we will. I'm going to give you a brief talk about data collection before we move on to Q&A. So this is mainly a discussion forum for all of you to post the questions to me, and then we can have a further discussion. And I think that now, because now you are in the process, probably you are in the process of collecting data, so you have already decided on the approach that you employed for your study. So it's, when I talk about approach, when I talk about your research design, your research approach, I mean you have already decided on whether you choose a qualitative or quantitative or even mixed method for your research study. Okay, and as you know that if you use a qualitative research, then the aim is mainly to explore the attitudes and behavior or experiences, okay, through some important methods. The methods we use are interviews, focus group discussion or focus group interviews, or we have observation. So interviews and observation are the main methods of data collection in qualitative research. For those who are planning to use quantitative, right, quantitative research mainly generates the statistics through the use of could be a large-scale survey research using methods such as questionnaire or structured interviews. Because as you guys have already known that there are different types of interview. We have unstructured interview, semi-structured interview, and structured interview. And mainly, if you plan to use qualitative research, your interview will come in the form of the unstructured and semi-structured. All right. And for those who plan to use quantitative, okay, for example, if you your tool, the tool that you will use will be the interview schedule, which is mainly to do with the structured interview. All right, so this is very important. We need to make a clear decision on that before, and then we once we know what sort of method we use in order to collect the data, then you will come up with a specific tool in order to collect the data. All right. For example, if you may use, for example, the interview guide, or you may use interview schedule, or you may use a checklist of observation and things like that. And then in the quantitative, you probably have a a questionnaire with many open, many closed-ended questions rather than open-ended questions, and also the structured interview also. So these are some of the methods, that we use in in the respective research approach, research design. All right, so I think you are here today with lots of questions in mind, and I would like to give the opportunity to all of you to post the questions regarding how to collect the data. And then I also prepared something to share with all of you regarding how to collect the data, and what should you do. How can you prepare yourself for the data collection? So this will come later after I got the question, from all of you. All right. So so the rest of the time is for all of you to post the questions, and then I will I will note down all the questions and respond to you. All right, everyone. So now our discussion may start now, and okay, just feel take it easy to ask questions, and let's make it like an informal conversation, just to make you feel comfortable in in talking with each other. All right. Okay, everyone. You may post the question now, and so that we can start to have a discussion, or I can respond to your question accordingly. All right.